Minneapolis City Council's mistrust of the federal government was front and center today. The police department was asking for permission to apply for a grant from the Department of Justice. And that grant is for the National Integrated Ballistic Information Modernization Program, or NIBIN. Fox 9's Karen Scullin explains what the controversy was all about. So Karen, fill us in.
Well, NIBIN is a program that investigators use to link shell casings and guns to various crimes. And MPD and likely every other police agency would say that it's crucial for their work. But some council members don't want to use any DOJ money. Now, it costs $300,000 to update the current NIBIN system. The DOJ invited Minneapolis to apply for a grant, but some council members have concerns. Getting that grant will mean Minneapolis will be forced to support ICE and immigration enforcement efforts, even though the city attorney says it won't.
That is what my actual concern is. If the federal government is going to expect us to do federal immigration enforcement, that is a concern that I have. And if we ask them, they will say we have to if we accept this grant, I bet.
And it is my opinion upon doing that review that there is nothing in this NOFO or in our application to this NOFO that would require us to violate the separation ordinance to perform any kind of ICE enforcement or to otherwise require staff to act in a way that is antithetical to the values of the city.
Other council members said it was crucial to solving crimes and to getting justice for families. In the end, this did pass through with a 7-5 vote. Simone?
So Karen, it does seem like council members agreed NIBIN was important, but what did they suggest MPD do to still have access to it?
Right. Well, Councilmember Chugtai said that the MPD should cut their overtime and use that money to pay for the NIBIN system. And then Councilmember Sorensen said, or Stevenson said rather, that they should sell the Harleys and they could use $300 from that sale to pay for NIBIN. But again, it did pass through 7-5. So now MPD hoping to get that grant from the DOJ. In Minneapolis, Karen Scullin, Fox 9.
All right. Thank you, Karen.